Silly me. What's up, y'all? I've been saving these wrap snacks so I could try them on camera with y'all. Y'all can't see a daggone thing. Yeah, a little bit better. A little bit better. So who is this? Lil Yachty. Lil Yachty hot cheese fries. Ooh-wee. Is that how you say it? Ooh-wee. You want to try one?
Yeah.
Oh, they look like
Hot fries. Cheetos?
No, yeah, they look like Cheetos.
Probably is Cheetos.
Did you want to try one, baby? Looky, do you want to try one?
Sure.
Well, you don't have to.
Pretty good.
Thank you. It's good.
Man, I'm trying to get some. Okay. Not bad.
I don't know because I didn't eat yet.
Not too hot yet. I mean, not too hot. Now, have you guys ever tried wrap snacks? I think these were out when I was a teenager.
What? What was on that? MC Hammer problem?
I'm lying.
Ice Cube?
No, I'm lying. I don't know when they've been out a long time.
Oh.
I wasn't a teenager. I was probably like a young person. Probably like 20. 19, 18, 19, 20. I don't know, something like that. Wrap snacks marketing at gmail.com. Oh, visit wrapsnacks.net. Y'all want to check out more wrap snacks. And don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same as everyone else. Lil Yachty. Alright, y'all. Yeah, we got these from the Halloween store, but they usually are at your local corner stores that sell everything. Corner stores. You know, that sell the now laters and the sour pickles and the sunflower seeds and hot sausages and all that stuff. Alright, y'all. Let me know if you tried these before. And I will see you guys next time. This is an impromptu video. I've been looking at these daggone wrap snacks for the last 2-3 weeks. And I said I'm supposed to try them on camera, but then I wouldn't feel like it. And I said, well, I want them, so I'm going to do it. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. I don't know where the lens is.